Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Times of Refreshing with Joanne Bateman. I am Joanne Bateman and I am literally sitting in the car at Hoover Dam. We have gone through the visitor center and seen some beautiful things, wonderful explanation of how the dam was built and why it was built. And then I happen to be married to someone who is so adventuresome. So I'm sitting in the car while my husband is walking himself up quite a steep canyon to the top of like a lookout bridge type situation, which I'm going to show you in the video in just a bit. But he is on his way up there and I am not. So it's quite a distance and he is almost up there. I'm going to show you guys him making that long trek, but why? I don't know. I'm married to him and he loves adventure. So he's going to this bridge and he's going to take some pictures of, I think, the Colorado River. I think that's the site that we're on, but hold tight guys. I'm going to show you some wonderful pictures of Hoover Dam. We are literally crossing Hoover Dam. I'm so excited. And we're going to go in and see something, get a better view of everything. But man alive, this is so cool. Let's see. We're actually on Hoover Dam. Look at that, babe.
Allem drum und dran. Alles, was dazu gehört.
Completely dry at the bottom.
You can't see, huh? We'll go to a different level. fear. But he walking. He's doing well. He made it.